Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Node.js. Today we are going to learn about how to update an existing contact in the Mailchimp. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my videos. So let's get started. So here you can see that so this is the audience ID, like contact. This is audience ID and this is contact ID. Contact ID, which of you want to update. So this is the contact ID I'm getting from here. Okay, so currently the first name and the last name is this one, right? So I want to update that one. So how I will do that? Just need to pass here the first name and the last name over here. So I will put it here like Rajnikant, and my last name I will update it over here Chaudhary. Okay, so let's try to hit this one and check the, this part is done or not. Let's go to the terminal and just hit this. Let's make it clear, and this, here we go, and here you can see that we have received the contact updated successfully and the email address. Okay, and here full name is Rajnikant Chaudhary, and let's reload this one and check this is updated or not. Now you can see that for file information Rashnikant and Chaudhary, right? So this is how we are able to update the first name and the last name, right? So let's dive into the code level. So how we are doing achieve this one. So here we have a API key, audience ID and the contact ID. So this is the API URL which you need to pass the audience ID and the contact ID. Then we have a function update contact. So here we have a put, this is a patch request. Okay, so here we have an API URL. Then we have a merge field parameter, the first name, the last name, and then we have a headers. Okay, then we are trying to load that contact updated successfully response data. If any error occur, then error updating the contact. Okay, so this is very simple and the very easy part to how to update an existing contact. Any doubt, any query, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.